Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming credentials and making a quick backup of any messages you need. Once done, identify every device and app using this mail account so you don't miss one. Next, open the mail client or webmail settings where syncing is currently enabled. Make sure you're signed in and have admin access to that account. Without that, you can't change sync behavior. Now navigate directly to account or sync settings so you're ready for the first change. Now disable sync or push in the account sync options and switch any auto-fetch settings to manual. If the app uses a scheduled fetch frequency, set it to manual or off so no automatic checks run. For extra assurance, revoke app-specific mail permissions or remove linked devices from the account's security page. Once you've saved those changes, check the client shows offline or manual fetch. Make sure to repeat this on each device. Finish by clearing cached offline mail or removing the account on any device you no longer want synced. Restart the app and device, then send a test message to confirm nothing downloads automatically. If sync persists, inspect server-side forwarding or rules and review third-party connectors that might still access mail. As a final step, temporarily change the account password to force reauthorization, then re-enable only the devices you want. This isolates the source and stops unexpected syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.